Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best collapsible dog crates that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest Life Stages Foldable Metal Dog Crate. Secure and sturdy, this collapsible metal kennel is a strong option for crate training. Double doors and low thresholds make entry less intimidating for pups still getting used to a crate, while a slide bolt and paw block ensure they stay safely inside while you're away. A divider panel creates a snug fit for growing puppies, and a leak-proof plastic pan makes it easy to clean up accidents. This crate has 4 sides that are permanently attached and 2 ends that lock on each side. When breaking it down, simply detach the 2 ends, and the crate will fold into itself flatly. Moving on at number 4, we have the EliteField 3-door collapsible soft-sided dog kennel. The EliteField tops our list as the best soft-sided collapsible crate. Our reviewers were impressed with the construction, quality, and breathability. 3 mesh doors circulate fresh air and offer clear visibility, adding relief for pups who tend to get claustrophobic and anxious dogs who like to see what's happening. Reviewers of big breeds like that the largest size is spacious enough for their big pups, ranging from a 78-pound German Shepherd to a 111-pound Great Dane. A bonus? It's easy to clean, both the cover and fleece mat are removable and washable. To collapse the crate, detach the supportive bar at the top, and the EliteField will fold down and fit into its flat carrying case. At number 3, we have the PetsFit Arch Design soft-sided dog crate. Available in a small size for dogs up to 28 pounds, this soft-shell collapsible dog crate is designed with ample ventilation and visibility for small pups. Lockable zippers keep your pint-sized buddy safe while the inside provides a fuzzy, soft mat for added comfort. The top handle makes this crate convenient as both an at-home and travel crate, and the back even features a storage pocket for treats or potty time essentials. It's also easy to store, with metal rods at the top and bottom keeping its shape so it won't get misshapen when folded. At number 2, we have the PetsFit Collapsible Dog Crate. Another option by PetsFit, this collapsible crate comes in 2 sizes that accommodate dogs up to 55 pounds. Reinforced with anti-scratching fabric and anti-bite mesh, the soft shell offers extra durability for medium-sized dogs. Double fiber rods at the top and built-in wire also make a sturdy frame that can easily be packed down when not in use. The front closes with 2 lockable zippers, and the inside has a machine-washable pet mat for comfort. Doubling as both an indoor and outdoor crate, this kennel is made with waterproof Oxford cloth. 4 mesh windows let in plenty of air no matter where you place the crate. And finally at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics 2-door collapsible kennel. This highly rated, soft-sided kennel offers an extra-large size that's suitable for dogs up to 110 pounds. Pet parents of big breeds like German Shepherds say it offers plenty of room for their large pups, especially with the zippable second door on top. A strong but lightweight PVC frame keeps the soft polyester fabric in place and easily folds down flat. Mesh fabric windows offer breathability, and zipper closures keep the doors securely shut. That being said, you'll still want to make sure your big pup is crate trained if using this kennel. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon